I ain't about to hold y'all up. Y'all already know what's going on. It is funded day time, man. I passed 5 more evaluations. This time is with Lucid. We're going to jump right into the portal so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. We're going to launch the dashboard and get right into it. If I could be honest, I didn't know that I went over $176 on one of the accounts, but I passed the evaluation on 4. When the market opens back up, I'm gonna get that $176 and try to get a $10,000 payout by the end of the week. We're gonna go over what it looks like to upgrade to your funded account, and then I'm gonna show you guys the trades that I took, because a lot of the trades that I took, if not all of them, to pass this evaluation specifically was with the indicator. And it was only 2 trades that I took to pass the funded challenge with Lucid. This was not the first time that I've passed an eval with Lucid. I've actually gotten a payout with Lucid before, but let's just jump right into it. I've said too much. So let's upgrade the first one and just see what it looks like. Okay, agreement, boom. All right, I read that, John. Boom, submit. So let's see. Okay, success. Boom. Did they give it to me? All right, we'll see. We gonna fly right through these things, y'all. I wonder if I can press accept and not even have to scroll. Boom, submit. All right, we passed another one. And then upgrade to funded. We passed another one. That's so crazy that they have 176. Like, why couldn't they just... Why they couldn't just give it to me, bro? That's insane. How did 4 pass but 1 not? Somebody let me know in the comments, please, because that's actually insane. So, okay, funded. So your account will become active within 5 minutes. So I'm recording right now as of Friday, May 8th. It is 3:47. The market is closing in an hour and 10 minutes, hour 13. And so we'll do an update on this next week if anything spectacular happens. If not, then let me also say they won't allow me to become an affiliate. They are tired of affiliates, and I don't know what that's about. Let's refresh it and see if all of it came, because where the rest of my... Okay, there we go. We got the 4 funded accounts right here. So that's essentially what it looks like. So I'm gonna go into the trades that my indicator took and show you guys the specific trades. If you guys don't know, you can watch a whole bunch of other videos that I have on it, but I have an indicator. It essentially tells you when to buy and sell based off my secret sauce strategy that I use in the market every single day. It tells you when to buy and sell based off of limit orders. The problem that a lot of people have with indicators, which is rightfully so, is that there's lag. But when you're doing a limit order with a proper system, there's no lag because you're waiting for a reversal to happen. So because you're waiting for a reversal to happen, there is no lag. It just tells you, okay, this criteria was met after all this other stuff happened. Take the strategy, take the course, you'll know exactly what it is. And we tell you when to get in. We tell you when to get in on the limit orders. So we're going to jump into that right now. It's actually really crazy how it happened. I can't wait to show y'all. This is going to be crazy. I got great news for you guys today. Prop Firm Match is the leading prop firm comparison platform on the internet. And they got live reviews, so you don't have to worry about being scammed. There's so many times where I've been scammed by these prop firms, bruh. You can actually customize what you're looking for in a challenge. So if you want to pass in one day, or if you want to get instant funding, if you even want to take your time with a prop firm and you like, I want to take a couple weeks, couple months to be able to do a prop firm match, will help you with that, bro. Trust me, they only go with the real prop firms that are gonna get you those big payouts. And if you know anything about the channel, you know that I'm trying to get funded $2 million and run up the bag. Prop firm match is gonna help me be able to do that because they only mess with legit brokers. And they'll be able to help you, bro. So what are you waiting for, man? Come on. All right, so we're taking the market back. We had TP hit right before we got in. I believe this was during London session. My kids have been sick this week, so we've been up at all crazy times of the day. But you see that price broke through structure. It actually got us in. It did come back to my entry. I'm going to show you guys essentially what it would look like if you were to have gotten in this trade. But we were looking for price to tag us in, which it did off of this first candle. So the way that the indicator works is it actually tells you when to do limit buy and limit sell. So let me take it back to show you guys what it would look like for you guys to actually get a sniper entry. So it'll alert you because you can set alerts. But when the indicator pops up, you will take a buy position at the top of the box. That's literally how you do it. You take a buy position at the top of the box. Now, if it says limit sale, which it'll do it after price breaks the line below, you will take it at the bottom of that box right there. It's that simple, that easy. I believe that is very, very easy. If my Discord would open right now, I believe there's a glitch. Let me see. It's a glitch right now, as you can see. The update failed. I don't know what's happening. It won't work on my computer right now, but I can show you guys the wins and all that. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys on my Instagram after this. But let's just say that we entered, because it did come back. Let's just say that we entered late. So boom. Okay, so it has us in right here. Of course, you will put your stop loss right here. You will put your take profit. I know for a fact that I risked a little bit more than I have in my PDF and my plan. In our VIP, we have a blueprint of how to bring out, I believe, $5,000 from the market and how to compound your accounts. It's a PDF that I developed. Join VIP. We got a whole bunch of special stuff. So, boom, TP was hit. It was a sniper exit, and I think price slowly went back up or reversed. I forgot what happened. When I win, I get off the chart. So that's the first trade that I took to get through the it was like 1530. It was 1550, yeah, $1,530. That's how much I got for the first one. So this was the next one that I took, where we took a limit sell. I'm glad that I can give both examples of what happened. I also have recordings of the videos that I took for these. I'll post it on Instagram and stuff. But remember, if it says buy, you're doing it at the top of the box. If you're doing sell, you're doing it at the bottom of the box. So it says sell. Let's just pretend that we got in the market right here. This is the one that passed the challenge. All right, we're in the market. My stop loss was actually a little bit higher. It was above the swing point. I believe that my take profit was right there. So boom, TP hit on that, and then right there. So those are the trades that I took to get funded with Lucid on 5 accounts. So I have one more account to pass, which we'll do that on Monday, and it'll be good. I'm excited. This is really good stuff. I love that I'm able to take these type of trades and help other students take these type of trades. It's such a blessing, guys. So this is a live trade that I took on my funded accounts with Tradeify. I trade on the 15-second primarily, but when I'm trying to get funded, I try to be conservative. But of course, past 4 more evals with the trade that I showed you. And go ahead and check this video out. I'm going to show you guys what my students are catching though, which has been really, really awesome. Just highlighting my students. People are getting funded, passing challenges with this indicator. You can slow the video down, you can pause it, you can reset it. But a lot of people are doing very, very well with this indicator. And I'm just really blessed that people are able to finally become profitable. My goal this year is to develop 1,000 profitable traders. And I believe that I'll be able to do it. These are the certificates that a lot of these guys are passing. These are the, withdrawals that these guys are able to take. It's really good stuff. I remember when I prayed and asked God, if you make me profitable, I want to help your people. And I felt like God said, I want you to do that. I'm going to allow you to become profitable. Of course, you're going to have to implement the fruit of the spirit yourself. Peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control, all that stuff. But once I was able to do a lot of the self-control stuff myself, and God really gave me the system, man, I didn't know I would help people this fast, but it's a huge blessing. Also, shoot me a follow, guys. I'm trying to get to 10K. And also subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 10K subscribers on here, man. Help your boy out, please. Please. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Join my free Discord. We blessing people. We do giveaways, all type of stuff. See you soon.